How to stop Facebook from tracking your Google search activities. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Account Center. After you have clicked on Account Center, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now, in here, scroll down and click on Add Preferences. Then, in Add Preferences, click on Activity Information from Ad Partners. After you've clicked on it, in here at the bottom, click on Review Setting. After you've clicked on Review Setting in here, click on No, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to stop Facebook from tracking your Google search activities. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.